Good morning. Today we will discuss the topics related to RL, RC and RLC parallel network connected to AC circuit. Before going to the parallel network, I would like to brush up some things. That is, we know the impedance. So what is the definition of impedance? It is nothing but it is the phasor sum of resistance and reactance. So it is nothing but R plus J into XL minus X. Z is equal to R plus J into XL minus XA. Now coming to this one, in case of parallel network, the reciprocal of impedance is called as admittance. And the units are mho. Units are mho. The reciprocal of resistance is called as conductance. The units are mho. The reciprocal of reactance is called susceptance, which is nothing but B. The units are mho. So similarly, impedance is equal to R plus J into XL minus XC. Similarly, in case of parallel network, I can represent the same as admittance Y is equal to G plus J into, here it is XL minus XC, but in case of this one it will be BC minus B. This is the basic equation for admittance. In case of, so the reciprocal of impedance is nothing but admittance. Reciprocal of resistance is nothing but conductance. The reciprocal of reactance is nothing but susceptance. So these are the formulas that we need to remember in order to represent a parallel network. A parallel network. First we will go with RL, parallel network connected to AC supply. So this is my AC supply. This is my resistor. And this is my inductor, which is connected in parallel with AC supply. This is inductor, but in case of AC supply, this inductor is called as inductive reactance JXL. This is resistance R. This is my supply voltage. In case of parallel network, if this is a junction, A point is called as a junction. The current supplied by the source is I. The current entering the resistor, it is IR. Current entering the inductive reactance is I. So if I apply KCL, at junction A, so it will be equal to I is equal to IR plus IR. This is the basic KCL equation. But what is the basic logic that we know from Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR. This is nothing but voltage in resistor. So from here I can write it as I is equal to current in resistor, which is VR by R. So indirectly I can write it as 1 by R. As 1 by R is nothing but it is conductance. 1 by R is nothing but G, which is conductance. G into VR. As we know that in parallel branches voltages are equal. So V is equal to VR is equal to VN. So I can write IR is equal to V by G into V. This is our equation 1. Similarly, V is equal to I into JXL. This is the voltage across inductor. Voltage across inductor is VL is equal to I into JXL. Because we have converted inductor into inductive reactance. So it is equivalent resistance here. So VL is equal to I into JXL. Or I can write it as I is equal to VL by J into XL. If I take J to the numerator, it will be minus J In parallel branches, voltages are equal. V is equal to V VL as V by XL. From parallel concept, the reciprocal of reactance 1 by XL is nothing but susceptance. 1 by XL is nothing but inductive susceptance. So I can write IL is equal to minus IL is equal to V into minus JBL. Here, if you notice that in case of inductive reactance, if I represent in terms of reactance, it is JXL. But in case of a parallel network, if I represent inductive reactance in terms of susceptance, it is minus JBL. So IL is equal to V into minus JBL. So what is our KCL equation? I is equal to IR plus IL. I is equal to IR plus IL. So further I can write it as this equation 1 and 2 represented in our KCL equation. So I is equal to IR plus IL. So IR is equal to GV plus IL is equal to V into minus JBL. So it is equal to, if I take V as common, G minus JBL. So this is that. So basic thing, from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Here it is V equal to IZ, or I can write I is equal to V by Z, which is nothing but YV. So I is equal to YV. Replace this one over here. Replace I is equal to YV in this equation. So it will be YV is equal to V G minus JBL. So V will get cancelled. So admittance in case of parallel network, RL parallel network, Y is equal to G minus JBL. Minus JBL, where G is nothing but 1 by R, BL is nothing but 1 by XL. So this is in case of parallel RL network connected to AC supply. Coming to vector representation, and you can see Y is equal to G minus JBL. So here it is. This is my component G, that is conductance. It is minus G. Minus G means J operator which rotates a vector by an angle of 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. But here it is minus G. Minus J means you have to rotate the vector by an angle of 90 degrees in clockwise direction. So this is minus JB. Minus JB. So the phasor sum of these two is nothing but our admittance Y. Admittance Y. So this is the case. If every parameter is multiplied with V, then it is nothing but, this is my supply current I, this is my current flowing in the resistance IR, this is the current flowing in the inductor I. So this is the vector diagram in case of RL parallel network connected to AC supply. This is my RC parallel network which is connected to AC supply. So this is my resistor, this is my capacitor, this is connected to AC supply, that's why it is called as minus JXC. The supply current is I, this is the junction. So I is the incoming current, outgoing currents are IR and IC. IR is the current flowing through resistor, IC is the capacitive current flowing through this capacitive reactance XC. If I apply KCL at junction A, I is equal to IR plus IC. So in parallel branches voltages are equal. So V is equal to supply voltage, V is equal to voltage in resistor, which is equal to voltage in the capacitive reactance. So if I take the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. From here, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So here the current flowing in the resistor is IR, voltage in the resistor resistor is V suffix R and the resistance is R. We know that in case of parallel network, 1 by resistance, that is reciprocal of resistance is what? Conductance. And in parallel branches, V is equal to VR is equal to VC. So I can write it as GV. So IR is equal to G. This is our first equation. This is our first equation. Similarly, for the second one, Ohm's law, V is equal to what? I into minus J XC. In case of capacitive reactance, voltage in capacitive reactance is current into that reactance. So V is equal to I into minus J XC. IC is nothing but current flowing in the capacitive reactance. VC is nothing but voltage in the capacitive reactance. So from here, IC is equal to VC by minus J XC. If minus J is shifted to the numerator, it will be plus J. In parallel branches, voltages are equal. VC equal to VR, which is equal to V. So it is V. 1 by XC. Reciprocal of capacitive reactance is capacitive susceptance, that is BC. So this is BC. So IC is equal to V into J BC. This is our second equation. If I substitute equation 1, resistor current, equation 2, capacitive current, in our KCL equation, that is I is equal to IR plus IC. Then my resultant equation will be I is equal to GV plus V into J BC. So from the basic definition, V is equal to IZ. From here I is equal to YV. Substitute this I, which is equal to YV, in this equation. So YV is equal to GV plus V into J BC. In the left and right hand sides, voltage is common, so they will get cancelled. So Y is equal to G plus J BC. So in case of RC parallel network connected to AC supply, the admittance is given by conductance plus capacitive susceptance. It is the phasor sum of conductance plus capacitive susceptance. If I draw the phasor diagram, so the reference is conductance G on x-axis. J is nothing but it is an operator which will rotate a vector by an angle of 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. So it is J BC. Phasor sum of these two. Phasor sum of these two is nothing but admittance Y. Admittance Y. This is the vector diagram for the admittance. For the same vector, if I multiply all the parameters with voltage, V, V and V. Conductance into V. It is nothing but current flowing in the resistor. Voltage into capacitive susceptance. It is nothing but current flowing in the capacitance. Admittance into V is nothing but the supply current I. And this is the phase angle between the admittance or the current with respect to the reference point. So this is the vector diagram with respect to current equation. Next one is RLC parameters connected in parallel with respect to AC supply. This is my AC supply V. This is my resistor R. This is my inductive reactance JXL. This is my capacitive reactance minus JXC. So this is the junction. A point is called as a junction. The incoming current at the junction is I. The outgoing currents are, one current is current flowing in the resistor. The second current is current flowing in the inductor. And the third one is current flowing in the capacitor. If I apply KCL at junction A, sum of the current entering at the junction equal to sum of the currents leaving that junction. So KCL at junction A. So I is equal to IR plus IL plus IC. This is our first equation. So in parallel branches, voltages are same. The second one parallel branches voltages are equal. So V is equal to VR, which is equal to VL, which is equal to VC. So this is the case. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So current flowing in the resistor is IR into I. So here voltage in resistor is VR, but in parallel branches all the voltages are equal. So VR is equal to V. So further I can write it as IR is equal to V by R. V by R. Reciprocal of resistance is nothing but conductance. So it is G. Similarly, Ohm's law, V is equal to voltage is inductor. Voltage in inductor, VL is equal to I into JXL. I into JXL. So that is current flowing in inductor is IL. So IL is equal to V by JXL. So reciprocal of inductive reactance is nothing but inductive susceptance. So J is shifted to the numerator, it will be minus J V into VL. So IL is equal to minus J VL. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Similarly, from Ohm's law for capacitance, that is voltage in capacitor, Vc is equal to I into minus Jxc. So from here, Ic is equal to Vc by minus Jxc. Minus J shifted to the numerator, it will be plus J. So I can write it as V into J Bc. So this is my third equation. This is my third equation, that is capacitive current. So if I substitute IR, IL and IC in the first equation, that is nothing but KCL equation, then I can write it as, so I is equal to GB minus JBL into V plus JBC into V. So from admittance equation, V is equal to IZ. From here, I is equal to YB. So YB is equal to GB minus JBL into V plus JBL into V. Minus JBL, it is plus JBC, capacitive susceptance. So left hand and right hand side, the voltages are same and equal. They are common, taken common, and they will get cancelled. So the formula for admittance, RLC parallel network connected to AC supply, admittance Y is equal to G minus J BL plus J BC, or I can write it as J is taken common from these two terms, so it is plus J BC minus BL. This is the admittance equation. Y is equal to G plus J into BC minus BL. So here conductance is taken as a reference. G, it is JBC. J is nothing but an operator which will rotate with an angle of 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. So it is JBC. The third component is minus JBL. The component is minus JBL. So it is clockwise minus JBL.